Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency accessibility. Since there are licensed Bitcoin exchange located in a variety of countries throughout the world, all cryptocurrencies are now more accessible than ever before compared to 2009. More often than not, trading cryptocurrency began with owning Bitcoin. Now that exchanges are easy to access for a large portion of the global population, the cryptocurrency investment ecosystem has the potential to one day revive that of the traditional stock market like the New York Stock Exchange or every other stock exchange. Thanks to increasing mainstream awareness and the fact that purchasing Bitcoin is more accessible than ever before. There are tens of millions of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoin holders worldwide. Once again, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and in my next video, I'm going to be talking about trading altcoin with Bitcoin.